Imagine this. You've poured your life savings into a new Florida business, set up your LLC, rented a space, hired your first team, and things are finally taking off. Then boom, you're served with a lawsuit. It's a former employee. You're shocked. You did everything right? This isn't just a horror story. It's happening every single day to Florida business owners who thought they were covered. But the truth is, most lawsuits aren't from angry customers. They're from within. And the good news, most of them are avoidable. I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified international business attorney and best-selling author, based here right in Miami. I've represented businesses from small startups to foreign governments, and today I'm going to break down the top 5 reasons Florida businesses get sued and how to bulletproof your business before it's too late. Here's reason number 1, breach of contracts. Contracts are the lifeblood of every business, but in Florida, the devil is in the details. Whether it's a handshake deal that went sideways or a vague agreement that left out key terms, most contract disputes arise from one thing: lack of clarity. How to avoid it? Use written contracts, not just templates, custom drafted agreements that define obligations, deadlines, payment terms, and this is key, what happens if things go wrong? And always include a Florida venue clause so you control the playing field. Here's reason number 2, employment disputes, wrongful termination, unpaid overtime, discrimination. In Florida, these claims are skyrocketing, especially from disgruntled ex-employees. And guess what? If your employee handbook is out of date or non-existent, you're already vulnerable. Here's how to avoid it. Have an attorney review your employment practices, especially hiring, discipline, and termination procedures, and make sure every employee signs off on a clear, legally compliant employee handbook. And here's a bonus tip: classifying your workers correctly. Mislabeling an employee as an independent contractor is a lawsuit waiting to happen. Here's reason number 3, premises liability. If someone slips and falls at your business, whether it's a customer, a delivery driver, or a vendor, you could be held responsible even if it wasn't your fault. Here's how to avoid it. Maintain a clean and safe environment. Document inspections and safety protocols, and this one's often overlooked. Have the right insurance. Too many Florida businesses are underinsured or insured for the wrong risks. Here's reason number 4, intellectual property infringement. Yes, even local Florida businesses get sued for IP issues. Maybe your business name is too close to another brand, or you used an image online without permission. Trademarks and copyrights aren't just for big companies. They're a litigation trap for the unwary. Here's how to avoid it. Before you launch, run a proper trademark search. Don't rely on a Google search. And if you're creating content, ads, logos, or social media posts, make sure everything is licensed or original. Also, protect your own IP by registering your trademark in Florida or federally. Here's reason number 5, partnership or shareholder disputes. Some of the nastiest business lawsuits I've seen, they come from within the company, co-owners turning against each other, money going missing, one partner locking the other out of the bank account. Here's how to avoid it. Have a detailed operating agreement or shareholder agreement, one that covers ownership percentages, decision-making, buyouts, and what happens if someone wants out. This isn't just paperwork. It's your insurance policy against war inside the company. If you take nothing else from today, remember this: most lawsuits in businesses aren't random. They're preventable. They come down to contracts, employees, safety, branding, and co-owners. Getting sued doesn't mean you're a bad business owner, but it often means something critical was left unprotected. And if you're watching this thinking, that sounds like me, don't wait until a lawsuit lands on your desk. Be proactive. I'm Santiago Cueto, and I help Florida businesses stay out of court and ahead of the game. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more tactical legal advice to protect your business and grow with confidence. See you in the next one.